expected big expense, yung isa, unexpected big expense. Pag sinabi mong expected, you have the luxury of time to prepare for it. When we say unexpected, walang pakialam yung ospital, walang pakialam yung puninarya kung may pambayad ka or wala. Yung college, you could decide na, o sige, wag muna ikaw mag-college, mag-ipon muna tayo ng pera. Pero pag pinag-usapan ang sad events, uutang at uutang ka talaga. With critical illness benefit, accidental death benefit, disability benefit, and death benefit, it's the big amount readily available anytime. What has more value today? Yung perang hihintayin mo lumaki o perang malaki na agad? Perang malaki na agad, di ba? What is easier to sell? Tignan lang natin yung numbers. What is easier to sell? The money that you need to wait to grow over time or instant big amount readily available anytime? Instant, di ba? Kahit pa paano, nakikita nyo yung logic, bakit mas madali siyang ibenta?